Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's kind of a crazy day. We're gonna be going to my dad's this weekend for Easter. So we're gonna be going to Virginia Beach as well as the Moyock, North Carolina area. So we're heading there right now. We got the kids loaded in the van and now we're gonna go and drive about 6 hours to get there. So it's another busy weekend, but it's gonna be fun. Can't wait to see all the family and hang out with everybody and get more video and footage of every single one of them. On another note, I'm actually doing the first vlog with the Canon M50. Pretty excited. I'm actually running a neutral profile on it, running 1080p, and my hair is without hair gel. Alright, well, without further ado, let's go ahead and get back to it, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we're here down at my dad's house. Today is Saturday. We're going to be going to the Easter egg pickup hunt. And say hi to my dad. Dad, I'm going to put this in my video. So say hi. Just say hi. Hi. We made it to the garage where we parked for the chicken egg hunt. So now we're going to do the Easter egg hunt. Nice. Nice. Hey. Okay, so unfortunately we missed the egg hunt, but we are going to stop and get some pizza. The kids are extremely loud and ready to eat, so we're gonna get everything good. Let's go. Okay, we're done with the egg hunt and got pizza, so now we're heading back to Evan's house just to hang out and get some more grub, and I don't know what else we're gonna do over there, but we're gonna do it.
Oh, batteries. Are you on? I feel like the batteries are done.
Did they talk to you?
The double A? Why is it acting this way?
Yo, the future.
Yeah, you just rest on top of your head. We'll get you set up. And then so I'm standing right here watching her, and I'm like, it's cool, babe, and we can see what she's doing. We'll be able to see what he's doing. And you'll be able to see, like, or not, don't turn that way. So you gotta kind of be aware of where your wire's at. Okay, so what we're gonna do is,
move the screen?
I got you. I'm gonna fix it.
I'll move the screen over.
What you want to do, Dustin?
Dude, get that on film, man. Jesse, yeah, I'm gonna give you the camera.
Yeah, that's what he's looking at right now.
Wow, this is weird. It's like my actual hands.
Yeah.
It's like my actual hands.
Yeah.
It looks just like my hands.
Yeah. Now here you go. Look at this. This is. Yeah, watch what he's doing now. So Dustin, look everywhere. You look around everywhere. Not yet. In a second.
I was trying to use the controller.
You can move that much?
Yeah, you can move anywhere. Yeah, you can move on.
Oh, it's a robot.
Press A button. Okay.
There you go. Now you're back. Cool. You're good. So you're gonna grab that. So not your trigger finger, but your other bottom. There.
This is crazy, dude. Oh my gosh.
Get crazy, right?
Yeah.
What the heck? What the heck? What the heck?
Pretty neat, huh?
Dude.
So that's the introduction. You want to do it now?
Yeah, I'll try.
let Jesse try.
That was crazy. Just throwing everything.
I know, that's right. I feel like it shows human nature. Do you know what I mean? Here, you'll see. Alan, you gonna do it. Ready?
What's up, man? this. Alright. They're like deflated like Alright guys, it's Easter Sunday. It's finally the day, the 1st of April. This is no joke. This is April 1st on Easter. So we're gonna go to my brother's house right now. We got back late last night. It was about 1 o'clock in the morning. We had a late night hanging out and just talking, eating noodles and playing some VR Oculus Rift, so it was pretty fun. I got stuck on Rick and Morty for the longest time. Yeah, the kids load up in the van, so we're gonna head over there right now. It's gonna be pretty fun. We're gonna get some eggs, maybe some candy, and hang out with the family. Let's go. Okay, we officially got the electric skateboard up and running. Jesse's gonna be the one that's test driving it while I'm flying the drone. Here's the controller. And hopefully, good luck.
Is it hot? All right.
What did I say? You gotta repeat it 10 times and then you can...
No fighting, no pushing, no fighting, no kicking, no running.
You forgot no farting.
No
farting.
You can't fart. You can't fart.
Hold those farts in now.
Bailey, look guys, that's Jesse through.
Oh, different. Hey guys, make sure you guys let the little ones get some. Get it, Pax. Oh, there you go, yeah. Get it, buddy, pick up. Move on. Wow, that was pretty fast.
I see what.
That was crazy. Oh, snap!
Do something wrong, I'm giving them 6 months probation, and they talk to them over, and they didn't get over a year. They get better. There's two guys next to me one there. They were under me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many years is that, Dad?
39 years.
39 years. You've been working there and you retired.
Yeah, because they pushed me to retire. They couldn't afford to pay me.
You didn't want to stop working, though, did you?
Well, at the first I started I thought it would be good, but then I get bored.
Yeah.
I said, I gotta find something else to do.
Yeah. Well, you did good, man.
Yeah, see?
You good.
See? All life is easy
All the
for
time,
me.
man.
All this stuff.
Take care of us kids, same job, man.
Yeah, clean the city up.
Yep.
And they sure think about me. Sometimes they have party in the center. They call me and say, I gotta go.